Kamakshi Khandelwal and I have studied CPT and intermediate from Navkar Institute, and I believe it has been an incredible journey since then, which wouldn't have been possible without the constant support from our faculties. I believe Navkar is my second home क्योंकि यहाँ का culture ही ऐसा है. Right from the infrastructure and the structure of the buildings to the behavior of the faculties and the admin, everything is so perfect, and I look forward to coming here every day just because of that. Coming to the structure of the classrooms especially, it is very colorful, and one thing I really like about them is that हर class में quote लगा हुआ है from a famous personality, which basically motivates us from the moment we enter the classroom. One of my favorite quotes would be that of Bruce Lee, जहाँ पे it was written that I do not fear the man who practices 10,000 kicks, but I fear the man who practices one kick 10,000 times. So when you have such things written in classrooms where we are sitting for about 8 hours a day, that really gets into our heads, and we really look forward to doing something about it, and we get motivated. And coming to the faculties, I believe all the faculties are amazing. Especially, I would like to share an incident that in CPT, there was this one subject which everyone was scared about, but one faculty chose to take lectures at a stretch till 9 PM in the night, and he made sure that the whole subject was covered and we weren't fearful for our exams. So I believe that the dedication of the teachers is what makes us be more dedicated towards our studies, and इनका support शुरू से एकदम end तक रहता है, and by end I mean exam centers तक. Till we go to give our exams, our faculties were there, and they made sure that we are entering the hall not scared and confident. And in the end, I would just like to say one thing, that the best thing about Navkar is that यहाँ पे understanding पे ज़्यादा focus दिया जाता है, rote learning पे नहीं. Navkar Institute, we believe in the best.